All right, let's make some crumble cake. This happens to be a triple berry crumble cake. This is the base. You need 340 grams of flour, 165 grams of sugar. I'm weighing right now. That's why it's like going little by little. And then you need a half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder. Now here's the crumble part that you're going to put on top of the base. 190 grams of flour, 88 grams of brown sugar, and then you need a stick of butter. Melt it, mix it all together. All right, this is the liquid for your cake base. 220 milliliters of milk, 3 tablespoons of the oil of your choice. I use canola oil. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 2 eggs. Mix all that liquid together. And then add your triple berries or blueberries or just strawberries or whatever berries you want. It's 340 grams of berries into your cake base, your mixture, and then add the liquid. Mix it all together until it's one nice, yummy cake base. Spread it in a 9-inch by 13-inch cake pan. I like to push everything to the corners first and then spread it out. And then you take your crumble and you crumble it all over the top. And this is when I get kind of super nitpicky and I want every single top of my piece of cake to have yummy. Bake at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes, and then you will have cake for breakfast. Enjoy!